What's up, you guys? I'm ironing my clothes. Like, I got a bajillion of them. I was told I have to iron them, else I can't go nowhere. And that's sus booty, so I'm gonna iron clothes. And while I'm ironing, I'm gonna be singing Jasmine Sullivan's "Push Your Windows." Okay? Okay. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Doom 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 doom. Up at the windows of your car, and no, it didn't in my broken heart. I'll probably always have these ugly scars, but right now I don't care about that part. I'll bust the windows out your car. After I saw you laying next to her, I didn't wanna, but I took my turn. I'm glad I did it, 'cause you had to learn. I must admit it helped a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad you see what happens when you see you can't just play with people's feelings. Tell them you love them and don't mean it. You probably say that it was juvenile, but I think that I deserve to smile. I bust the windows out your car. You know I did it 'cause I left my mark. Wrote my initials with the crowbar, and then I drove off into the dark. I bust the windows at your car. You should feel lucky that that's all I did. After 5 whole years of this book, gave you all of me and you played with it. Whoa, I must admit it hurts a little bit to think of how you feel when you saw it. I didn't know that I had that much strength, but I'm glad you see what happens when you say you can't just play with people's feelings. Tell them you love them and don't mean it. You probably say that it was juvenile, but I think that I deserve to smile. Thinking I'm not gonna come, but it don't come back to my broken heart. You can never feel how I felt today until it happens, baby. You don't know pain. Oh, yeah, I did it. You should know it. I ain't sorry. You deserve it. After what you did, you deserved it. I ain't sorry. No, no. Broke my heart, so I broke your car. You caused me pain, so I did the same. Even though all that you did to me was much worse, I had to do something to make you hurt, yeah. Oh, but why am I still crying? Why am I the one who's still crying? Oh, oh, you really hurt me, baby. You really hurt me, baby. Hey, 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 hey. Now watch me, you. Now watch me. I bust the windows at your car.